everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak, and I'm here to do a little unboxing, or let's call it unbagging. So this is my monthly mystery quilt bag that comes, of course, every month. And it's different. Every month is a different piece of the quilt. So let's take a look to see what we got for this month. And then I will show you the other pieces that I've already assembled. So all I did was just kind of tear the bag just to kind of get it ready. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Nothing else hiding in there. And this actually comes from Cotton Cuts. Okay, so they do this for a whole year, and then I believe, you know, next year there'll be another one. So the pattern of fabric that I chose was Sheila Christian's. This is the Puzzle Mystery 2018, This Way and That Way. So I'm doing the single, and it's small size, and this is clue number 3. And I think a bad storm is coming through here. I mean, it's been kind of crazy since I got home from work, and not to mention, well, a lamp falling on my head, and one of them curlicue light bulbs busting. And, well, let's just say I probably could use a Tylenol or two, maybe a little ice pack. But I'm okay, I'm not bleeding. And, well, let's just say that lamp is going to go in the trash. But let's open this up and let's see. You don't want to hear all about that, but I was doing an unboxing of my Chalk Couture, and I needed another light. Well, I saw another extension cord, so not thinking that the lamp was going to come with the extension cord off the shelf above my head. So that's what happened there. So maybe it'll just knock a little more sense into me. So, dear mystery detectives, thank you for taking part in this year's Puzzle Mystery Quilt. How are you enjoying the mystery so far? I'm loving it, and I'm learning. So I've never done a quilt before, so this is new for me. We'd love to see photos of your blocks in the Facebook group, which I do share my blocks, no matter how bad they are. Because the last month, I sewed, when I saw other people's, you know, finished ones, I realized I sewed mine differently. So I asked everyone what they thought, and they just said, go for it. You know, I guess you could always rip it out. So you use a scant 1/4 inch seam. So it looks like all the pieces are cut, which is what I loved about this. So it looks like we have some half square triangles and some rectangles and some triangles. So there is a Facebook group to post the photos of your puzzle pieces and see everyone else's, because there's a whole bunch of different types of fabrics. So here it takes you literally like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is really great for someone like me that I'm a beginner. So let's take a look. So every month they send you this block of the month. This is called Rail Fence. That looks easy enough for a beginner. And this is like a coloring sheet. And then you can submit it at hashtag CC Color Challenge for a chance to win 2 yards of fabric. And I haven't done that, but I'm sure a lot of people do, and I think that's fun. So this is Rail Fence, and this looks like this probably could be a little intimidating. Like, I mean, this first one looks okay, but these others, when you get a first look at it, okay. Well, anyhow, that's that. So here's all the different pieces, and this is what I love about it, because look at how this fabric is. It's all cut for you, and you just follow those simple directions and put it together. So these are all the different fabrics, which going along with the same patterns that we did before. And I love these squares because they actually squared these off so they're not pointy. So when you go to sew them together, I mean, they fit perfectly. So I love that. It kind of is a hint as to whether or not you're putting it together right or not. So yeah, it looks like we have a lot of triangles and some rectangles. So this will be exciting to see what it all comes out to finally be. And you make 2 sections each time. So yeah, it's going to be fun. Okay, so can't wait to get started on that. It usually doesn't take a whole lot of time either. Yvette, I'm sorry, I never know. Is it Yvette? Yvette? Looks like the storm's getting closer. She's the one that got me inspired and to try this out, and she's been doing tutorials, which is a ton of help for someone new like me. Okay, so let's see what we have so far. Okay, so my first month were these pattern pieces. So I have a little sticky on here. So those were for the first month. So you did 2 of them, A1 and A2. That pretty? And then my second month, I did these. This one. Oh, it's getting breezy. It's getting spooky. So see, what other people did is they took one of this and one of this. But, ooh, can you hear that? My animals are all going nuts too. So they kind of swapped it out. I didn't, so I can always go back and change it if I want to. But look at how pretty this is going to be with these colors together. So yeah, that was my unbagging of my month 3 of the Puzzle Mystery 2018 quilt. So next month I'll be back to do the next unbagging, and I'll have part 3 all sewn together to share that with you. And thanks so much for joining me. And all you sewers and quilters out there, go and check out Cotton Cuts. They have great subscription boxes, and I'm just loving this mystery quilt, and I can't wait to complete it because I can't wait to see what it looks like. All right, everyone, have a great night and be safe out there, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.